Pimento cheese, a tradition unlike any other.
On Mount Sizzle.
Trespass the concession stand and feast with your loose change. Then journey over to the merchandise tent. A journey you take alone. With your Amex Black Card? Oh yes. You must line up your ingredients with care, like an artist before their soon-to-be birthed masterpiece. Yes, sir!
Making pimento cheese is everything. You can eat the cheese, Jimmy, but you can't eat the memories. They're there forever.
Yes, sir!
Jimmy, I would have drank at least 2 quarts of pimento cheese during the 1964 U.S. Open. After nearly collapsing in the 100-degree heat, 36 holes in a day will get to you, I tell you.
I run my cheeses through the processor, so they're like sand in a bunker. Today, whose pimento cheese story is to be told?
Today on Mount Sizzle.
The cream cheese is soft and warm, not unlike Georgia sunbeams. Hello, friends. Getting in the mixture.
I don't believe you have to make better pimento cheese than everyone else. I believe you have to be better than you ever thought you could be.
Exceptional. Absolutely clutch. A cheese for the ages.
After you have all the basics of pimento cheese down, it's all mental. Jimmy, if we got a teaspoon of pimento cheese on a fold-over of stale heel, it was like prime rib. Different times, Jimmy. Different times.
A perfect palette for a canvas that seemed to be waiting for short order cooking's ultimate test of pimento cheese to be constructed today
on Mount Sizzle.
A tradition unlike any other.
I nearly died while capturing that glory congressional.
It's one of the epic achievements in the annals of cheesecraft. A shade of orange in a pimento cheese for the ages.
Sweeter
Absolutely
than Georgia Beach.
Exquisite. Well,
This
done.
could be. This might be. This could be a beaut. Oh, yes! Sweeter than a Georgia Beach.
You can't make great pimento cheese happen. You have to let great pimento cheese happen.
Yes, sir! Oh, God.
Jimmy, back in the 50s on tour, we slept in our cars, or even worse, on boardwalks, even an empty outhouse, and loved it. Different times, Jimmy. Different times.